thrill of it. Say that it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one, then move right on to another bitch.
DJ Ill Will.
Yeah, college educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact that the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and your game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there.
DJ Rockstar.
How can I explain? Talking to myself.
Just traveling the world,
Will I see it again?
trying different drugs and girls. Yeah,
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing
What it's
up the
all about,
hill,
though.
searching for the thrill of it.
Yeah, man,
All
after
alone, we are calling out
Carrying
not
over
again.
everything.
Never looking down, I'm just
Yeah.
ignoring what's in front of me.
Addicted to champagne. Book the room, we ride a whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the plane's at. Take the low one out of there, or like just turn it down, and then I'ma probably just go back and double another one of them high ones. I want them shits to be like real airy, fucking dreamy and shit. Wake up drunk, go to sleep fucked up. We both amazed at what we just done. Mixing drinks, knowing we'll regret this. Ain't been asleep yet, room service bringing us breakfast. All this money, darling, what else is left to do? But smoke and enjoy my presidential view. Got a swimming pool in my living room. On stage interviews, tons of sour, let's consume.
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it.
Yeah.
Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it.
Okay.
All alone, we are calling out not again. Never looking down, I'm just ignoring what's in front of me.
Addicted to champagne. Book the room, we ride a whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the plane's at. Addicted to champagne. Book the room, we ride a whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the plane's at. What's this? Burn after rolling? Yeah, that's what it is. Until I drop the next one. So do just that.
Don't stop, just keep going on. I'm
I'm stoned.
shoulder lean upon, so come
This is
on.
what? Mixtape number 6, 7? I don't know. But good weed still in the building. Your bitch still hitting me on whatever it is I use on the computer these days.
Holy fuck!